The pie and the fly. Faye bakes a pie. A fly buzzes by. The fly lands on the pie. Faye shoos it away. Faye and the pie are safe.
Her red dress. Jen has a dress. The dress is red. She wears it to the park. Jen feels happy. Jen and her dress twirl.
The bird and the shirt. Bird has a shirt. A bird lands on it. The bird chirps a song. Bird smiles wide. Bird and the bird sing along.
The fur hat. Kurt has a hat. The hat is made of fur. It keeps him warm. Kurt wears it in the snow. Kurt and the hat stay cozy.
The paw and the claw. Sean has a dog. The dog has a paw. The paw finds a claw. They play in the yard. Sean and the dog enjoy the day.
The haul and the paw. Paul has a haul. He finds a paw. The paw is small. Paul takes it home. Paul and the paw are happy.
The moon and the spoon. Noon sees the moon. She has a spoon. The spoon shines bright. Noon eats her meal. Noon and the spoon admire the moon.
The blue glue. Lou has glue. The glue is blue. Lou uses it to make art. The art is beautiful. Lou and the glue create joy.
The fork and the chore. Mark has a chore. He uses a fork. The fork helps him work. Mark finishes fast. Mark and the fork relax.
The boy and the joy. Troy is a boy. He finds a toy. The toy brings joy. Troy plays all day. Troy and his toy share joy.